Hello, Internet. Would you believe that you are surrounded by opportunities? Probably. Would you believe that you don't really see most of them? Maybe, maybe not. But I have a story that taught me a lesson, and I'll get into that story. But first, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm Lord Master DLC 79, and I happen to believe that school doesn't teach, meaning we have to take we have to do the education. We have to do the educating ourselves. We have to do the learning ourselves. I messed that up, but I'm not going to cut it out because we don't edit here. Anyway, the story that I'm about to tell you taught me a lesson. I mean, it didn't really teach me. I mean, it did, but it didn't. It kind of opened my eyes, which I guess beside the point. By the way, my allergies are kind of bad today, so scratchy throat, nose, you don't want to hear it, but that's the reason my voice sounds the way it does. Anyway, those of you who follow my channel know that I do some gaming content, and I've recently started No Man's Sky, and early in my No Man's Sky playthrough, I came upon a trading post, and I didn't really think anything special of it because I knew nothing about the game. So eventually I figured out, oh hey, there's valuable stuff around me that I can sell, but eventually I got to the point where I'm like, okay, let's just get on with the game. After recording just a few more episodes, I began to realize just how rare these trading posts are to find on foot. Some might say that I got really lucky finding one of those so soon, and I should have used, i.e. exploited it much more vigorously than I did. And yes, a viewer actually commented on this. But I kind of realized, this is where the myth of luck comes from. In real life, we're actually surrounded by all kinds of opportunities for making money, or to make our lives more convenient, or even change the world. So many opportunities to do things or to make things better, either for ourselves or for other people, or for whatever. But we don't see them. We're not taught how to see them. But the few people who do see them, because either they were taught to see them, or they just kind of figured out how to see them, and then acted on them, and got some sort of benefits out of it, we say, oh, they got lucky. They didn't get lucky, they were paying attention. They were paying attention to the world. And here I have another story. This one pertaining to real life. After I finished my bachelor's degree, I had student loans, but I also had I think $8,000 of grant money left over, and that's grant money. That's yours to keep. You can use it however you want. In retrospect, 2020. You know, the old saying, hindsight is 2020. Well, in retrospect, or in hindsight, whichever you want to call it, what I should have done is invested that in the stock market, or in bonds, or in something. And actually, I believe, when did I get my bachelor's degree? I can't remember. It was a while ago. Years. A lot. I think around that time, Bitcoin was becoming a thing. I didn't know about Bitcoin. I knew about the stock market, but I'm like, I don't know how to do that. And stupid me, I'm like, well, I can't learn because I'm a biology person. I can't learn economics. Can't. Stop saying that word. Period. Okay, not entirely, because there are some things you literally can't do. But I mean, you can't out physics. Point is, can't learn is not a thing. And I didn't know about Bitcoin because I wasn't paying attention. I think at that time, Again, I don't remember when this was. I think Bitcoin was like $10. And okay, maybe not invest the entire 8,000 into it, but I mean, still just $1,000 invested in Bitcoin when it was 10. Says that's 100 Bitcoins. Today, today's price. Oh, my phone's across the room. I can't look it up. But it's like that would be like $700,000, give or take. And back in November 2017, that would be 2 million. Think about that. Missing opportunities because not paying attention. What did I do with that money? I lived on it. It's gone now. Missed opportunity. So, bottom line here is learn how to pay attention. Learn how to pay attention to the world. And every now and then have the courage to act on an opportunity once you see it. I mean, not every time. You don't have to be brave 100% of the time. But I can tell you the people who seize more opportunities tend to be more successful than the people who don't. So seize some opportunities.